Have you ever missed an important call or message because your iPhone was on silent mode? In this guide, I'll show you how to enable vibration while in silent mode, so you never overlook a crucial notification again. These steps apply to all iPhone models, so it doesn't matter whether you have a newer or older device. First, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit until you find the Sounds and Haptics section, then tap on it to access the sound settings. At the top of the screen, you'll see the silent mode switch. For demonstration purposes, I'll enable silent mode now. So, how can we activate vibration while silent mode is on? It's actually quite simple. Look for the ringtone and alert section, which includes the volume slider. Here you'll find an option called haptics. This is Apple's term for vibration settings. On the haptics page, you'll see 3 or 4 different options related to vibration. By default, yours may be set to never play, meaning vibration is disabled for both silent and ringer modes. To turn vibration on, choose play in silent mode if you want vibrations only when your phone is silent. If you prefer vibration to always be on, select always play instead. And that's it! Now your iPhone will vibrate whenever silent mode is activated, allowing you to feel notifications, alerts, and calls without sound. If this guide was helpful, consider giving it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.